Hi, tutor and classmate. As you know, I am Sergio Fernando Lutan. Okay, I'm gonna explain my final task in this course language for a function. So, firstly, I wanna tell you, I tried to record the camera and the screen, but this don't allow it to me because it's a free trial. Excuse me, free trial. So I don't want this topic screen or music, but it's impossible for me record the camera and screen because it's free trial. So okay, I'm gonna explain. I choose the topic back formation in this. Okay, I read the material study in the course and I understand according to this topic. So back formation is a abnormal type of word formation where a short word is divided to the Latin or imagined affix from a really external larger word in the vocabulary. So I put two examples. In this case, the adjective suffix er is added to verb and producing, for example, a big and edit. Two example, yeah, big and edit verbs are verbs. Okay, so uh, bigger, a dittor. So the suffix is added to a verb and produces a noun. It's clear this the example. Again, big, bigger, it is a didder. So the majority back form words are verbs. What significant? So create, bake, another verbs uh, using back formation. So attention, for a verb that can be of ordinary, a number of nouns and various type of participle adjective. For example, with this verb, I, I can use it, for example, creator, creation, creating, created. So, with the same verb. Okay. Uh, the, the etymology, back formation, is the process of creation a new lexema, usually removing actual or subject affix. Yeah. In this sentence, I quote by James Murray in 1889. Yeah, is the set. So it's very important the sentence for understand this topic. Okay, well, other example of affirmation are the following where present derivational suffix has been removed. Okay, for example, with suffix ion, yeah, intuition, intuited, resurrection, resurrect, emotion, emote. Okay, three example with this role, subject role, ion. Okay, intention, resurrection, emotion. Okay, I've sedative, sedate, I've. Okay, O paramedical, paramedic, lazy, laze. Okay, for example, according to this explanation about this back formation. Okay, thank you, tutor and classmate, and Blazing. Bye bye.